the kids across the hall could hear him snoring.
And I'd try to be really apologetic because I'd go, did I snore last night? Or if she'd kick me out and I remember it, I'd apologize and go, I'm so sorry. I mean, I can't control it. I would try not to. I would try sleeping in different positions. I'd say, well, let me try wadding the pillow up and putting it behind my head this way, or I'm going to make sure I sleep on my stomach or sleep on my side. And I felt terrible because I felt like I was hurting her sleep through no fault of her own, and I felt guilty and really wouldn't want to do that to her. I considered the surgery as well because I figured there's no way some product on TV was going to fix a problem that I'd had this majorly and that obviously run in my family. And so we buy it, it shows up, I popped it in and thought, well, I mean, it's going to take a little bit of getting used to, but it's not going to keep me up. Okay, we'll give it a try. So that night, I put it in, didn't have any trouble falling asleep, and remember waking up in the same bed and not having been nudged in the middle of the night.
Yeah, you forgot it when we went to the cabin one weekend. That was not fun.
No.
Well,
it was not that long ago.
It's the only time he's forgotten to take it on an out-of-town trip, and it was like stepping back into time, remembering, and it actually made me appreciate it a little bit more because I remembered what it was like without it.
I'd say before the zQuiet, life was a little more tense and cranky around our house. I felt guilty for putting her through something that she didn't deserve. I think life after zQuiet has, it sounds silly to say that a little product that you just pop in your mouth can have a big impact on your quality of life, but it really has. If you sleep better, it seems everything in life is better. I'd say I've been using the zQuiet for a little over a year, and the number one reason I keep using it is because it works. Just as simple as that. It lets her sleep through the night, which lets me sleep through the night. And as long as it keeps working, we'll keep using it.